In the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, conflict never truly sleeps. From the first light of dawn in Masisi and Minembwe to the late-night skirmishes in Goma and Uvira, the echoes of gunfire continue to shape daily life. This documentary follows the ongoing struggles of civilians and soldiers in a region caught between natural wealth and persistent instability. Historical context, minute 1 to 3. Eastern Congo has long been a hotspot of armed conflict. Decades of political tension, ethnic rivalry, and resource-driven disputes have left deep scars. The provinces of North and South Kivu are rich in minerals, gold, coltan, and tin, which have fueled both local and international interest. Armed groups like M23, Wazalendo, and smaller militias have long contested control of key territories, while FARDC, the National Army, seeks to stabilize these areas. Morning conflict, Masisi and Minembwe, minute 3 to 6. As the sun rises over Masisi and Minembwe, the tension is palpable. Gunfire and sporadic artillery shakes the region, displacing farmers and villagers. Soldiers patrol the forests, while local militias maneuver along narrow roads. Markets remain largely closed as residents fear sudden attacks. Civilians, especially women and children, flee their homes, often seeking refuge in nearby towns or temporary camps. Afternoon clashes, Goma and Bukavu, minute 6 to 9. By midday, clashes spread to urban areas like Goma and Bukavu. Small arms fire and aerial movements are reported near strategic checkpoints. Businesses close early. Traffic halts. Hospitals prepare for possible casualties. International observers note that these skirmishes could escalate into larger confrontations if not contained. Night operations, Uvira and Mikenge, minute 9 to 12. As night falls, the region experiences renewed confrontations. Uvira and Mikenge see intense nocturnal activity. Civilians describe hearing gunfire and seeing vehicle patrols moving through forests and roads. Soldiers and militias wear Congo's national flag patches on their uniforms, signaling loyalty and territory control. Aid agencies struggle to reach remote villages due to insecurity. Human impact, minute 12 to 13.5. Civilians remain the most vulnerable. Thousands are displaced. Schools close. Medical aid is limited. Food scarcity increases. Children and elderly face the brunt of the instability, while families wait anxiously for news of their loved ones. Regional and international response, minute 13.5 to 14.5. Neighboring countries monitor developments closely. UN peacekeeping missions continue patrols in high-risk zones. Diplomatic efforts are underway, but the path to sustainable peace remains uncertain. Humanitarian organizations emphasize that long-term stability requires political reform, security guarantees, and community engagement. Closing remarks, minute 14.5 to 15. Eastern Congo's conflict is more than battles. It is a story of resilience and survival.